Guys, imagine an app that literally pays you just to talk on your phone. For real, I'm not joking. This new app is trending in the US and people claim that they are earning dollars just by calling. At first, I thought it was a joke until I saw how many people in the US are cashing out from this app. In this video, I'm introducing you to a brand new app that literally pays you for making phone calls. I'm going to show you how it works, especially if you're watching from another country. Yes, I know I said people in the US, but don't worry. If you're not based there, I've got a way you can still earn from this app. In fact, shout out to Vitamin. I didn't actually get your real name, but that's what I saved your contact as. He was the one who introduced this app to me, and this was the recent cash out he made just yesterday, November 4, from this particular app. Guess what? He's a Nigerian. Just make sure you follow every single detail in this video without skipping any parts. And yes, rush this update. Before we begin, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button only if you want to continue making real money online with Jessica as your coach. Now let's get started.
Alright, so first things first, you need to ensure, since you're in the US, that your time zone reads the US's time zone. Okay, very quickly go to your settings on your phone, go to system, and then look for your date and time. Alright, so where you have select time zone, click on it. If that shows select time automatically, you wouldn't be able to click on it, so make sure you turn it off first. So here, since you're in the US, you're going to look for, I think the time zone should be Washington, if I'm not mistaken. So let's check that out. Yeah, so we have Washington DC here. So yeah, since you're in the US, your time zone should read that you are in the US. Okay, so once you've confirmed this, in case yours is not showing this, you have to change it to this. So now your time has changed. Right now it's currently telling me that we are 9:11 a.m. That's we are at 9:11 a.m. on my device. Okay, so if yours is not showing Washington DC, that means you're not in the US, and then you have to change it just like I did. Now after that has been done, the next step is for you to download the app.
So now everyone needs a unique link to register on this app. So that's why I'm not going to drop any link in the description of this video. If you're seeing this right now, you're going to join the Telegram group, a link I'll be leaving below, and then send me a DM with your US number. Yes, obviously you will need a US number. So if you're in the US, send me your US number, and if you don't have one, just join the Telegram group and tell me. I'll show you how you can get one. Okay, so now it's that US number you're going to give to me that I will use to send you the link to the platform. Everybody must use their own link to register on the platform. All right, so once that has been done, then you come back to this video. After downloading, just click on get started. All right, so now here you're required to put in your US number. By now you should have already gotten your US number. Just come here and paste it. So you click on continue and wait for them to send you the code. So once you've received your code to your phone number, come here and just type in the 6-digit code sent to you to verify your number on the app. So after putting the code, you click on verify to verify your phone number. And yeah, you're done. Now the next step is for you to complete your profile. So put in your first name here. I don't think you need to put two names here. One name is enough, okay? And then you put in your email address. Please ensure that the email address you're using is on that particular device you're using at the moment, okay? So put your first name and your email address, click on continue, and let it load. So this is the next thing you're going to see, the terms and conditions. Just click on accept terms and conditions. All right, you don't have to go through it, okay, but please don't violate their rules. So please click on accept terms and condition, and now you're prompted to verify that your US phone number. So click verify my phone. Now please pay attention to this place. You will get a call to your phone number, and then you'll be required to click on your keypad and then paste this code. So once you paste this code, you've automatically verified your number after you pick the call. Let me just show you how to do that. Okay, so right now they are calling me, and I'm simply going to click on the pick up button, allow them to receive calls, and you see the keypad below here. I click on it, and then that code 7 blah blah blah, I type it in once. Please don't make mistakes. So I type it in, and after I type the code that I was given there, they said whatever they wanted to say. Congratulations, your phone has been verified, blah blah blah, and then the call ended. I went back to my app, that's the platform that is paying, to then click I have completed the verification. And that was how I was able to easily verify my number.
So very quickly, let me walk you through the app. So this is the paying app, and I know many of you will be like, "Oh, she's not even mentioning the name of the platform." There is a very valid reason why I'm not mentioning it here. But if you join the group, you get to know why. So let's just leave that aside. Um, if you want to call someone, you're just gonna simply type the number here and then call the person. Okay. Yeah, your account is set now. You verified your US number, and all you have to do is to make calls to begin to earn. When you want to call someone, rather you dial the person's number here. If you have a call, you see your recent here, your recent calls here, like a missed call, something like that. And then in this place we have settings, the last place. Let me quickly brief you on how much you're going to earn. You can see the minimum cash out amount here is 0.10 cents. So as soon as you have 0.10 cents here, you can withdraw your money. And yeah, if your question is how am I going to withdraw my money, you're going to withdraw your money into your PayPal account. If by now you don't have a PayPal account, you are wrong, because like I said in my previous video where I showed you how to create a PayPal account, you need a PayPal account if you want to hustle online. A PayPal account should be one of the withdrawal like channels you should possess as yours, so you don't have issues looking for who to withdraw on your behalf, blah blah blah. Spend that money, get your account created. If you want me to help you with it, just DM. My links are everywhere. Join my community and then DM me. Get yours so you don't have troubles. It's always sweet to have something of your own. Do you get? So now, that aside, you withdraw into your PayPal account. I think I showed you the withdrawal process. And how much do you get paid? You get paid 30 cents per minute. So if you call someone now just for a minute, you get 30 cents. Now multiply. Let's go to a calculator. Okay, let me cancel this. So multiply 30 cents, that's 0.30 times an hour, which is about 60 minutes. Yeah, so this is you earning $18 in an hour. Please tell me what platform is going to pay you that. The calls you're making at home, is it paying you? If you do not up on this platform, I don't know what you're waiting for. Imagine just spending an hour talking to your friend and then you're getting paid $18. If you calculate that, if you're in Nigeria now, if you calculate 18 plus the recent rate, I think it's about 1,420. That is you making 25,000 naira in an hour. Now let's multiply that by 5 hours in a day. So if you call this is actually really funny, and I know it's going to sound too good to be true, but please don't joke with this update. If you are on a call for about 5 hours in a day, which I know might be stressful, but if you're able to complete 5 hours calls in a day, you're earning 127,000 naira, and that will be a total of in dollars, that will be a total of $90 per hour. Okay, no, sorry, per 5 hours rather. So 1 hour $18, then 5 hours $90. Please tell me, is this not sweet? Anyways, let me not hype this too much. I want you all to get started and don't joke with this. So you get paid 30 cents per minute of call time with the users of this app. So if you're calling someone that is outside of this app, you're gonna get paid lesser. Please put that into consideration. But if you're calling someone that owns this app, that is why I told you that you need to register with your link, your own unique link that I will use your US number to give you. Are you with me? Before you start earning. So if you like, go through the other way, or try to do, how will I play over sabi, it's your own. Like I told you before, please follow my instructions if you know you are ready to earn. All right, so only those that are users of this app with their US numbers would you get 30 cents. That's just basically what I want to say for
Now
now.
I know what you're probably thinking. Jessica, how do I even get people to call? Don't worry, I already thought about that for you. I've created a Telegram community where I'll be sharing how to do this. So please make sure you join, especially if you're not in the US. That group is for you. And if you have any questions, drop them right here in the comment section, not anywhere else, so I can easily see them and reply to you directly. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this helpful. If you do, please let me know in the comment section, okay? And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.